Hi friends, so this is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to change calendar event to iCloud on iPhone and iPad. On some occasions, while adding an event to calendar on iPhone, you may unintentionally add the event to the calendar on your local device rather than to iCloud. This is often why a calendar event appears to not sync with other Apple devices, because if the event is stored in a calendar set to on my iPhone or on my iPad rather than iCloud, it will not sync between your devices. But both are not. There is a pretty easy way to change calendar event to iCloud on iPhone or iPad. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First off, open the calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on the event you want to change from being local to iCloud. Next, tap on the edit button. After that, tap on calendar. Next up, choose a calendar under iCloud by tapping on it to switch the event to the iCloud calendar from one stored on my iPhone or iPad. In the end, make sure to tap on Done to confirm the change and you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily change calendar event to iCloud on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.